So I'm inside IKEA, and y'all, I got some shopping to do. Like, this is gonna be super exciting because it's time to upgrade and work on our second bedroom. I'm gonna turn that into a full closet. So yeah, we're gonna have fun. If you've never been to IKEA, you need to come. You need to explore. You need to see how cute the stuff is. Okay? So we're in the couch section. Well, IKEA has cute couches. Like if you're a college student and you want to just have something cheap, cute, I would definitely recommend IKEA and coming and buying one. And even if you're not and you just want something that's, you know, moderately priced, I would definitely recommend IKEA. Oh, this is cute over here. So I'm just walking through the showroom. I'm probably about to go downstairs and get what I picked out and some other things. And I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Alright, so this is day 2. I'm back to IKEA again. Here we are. So the other IKEA from yesterday, they did not have what I needed. And so I had to come to the one in Grand Prairie. Alright, so I started out just putting the shelves together. These are the Billy bookcases that you get from IKEA. Y'all, when I say cute and bomb and chic, like, yes, you can have a dream closet or whatever you want with the DIY project. They were easy to put together, but you really have to make sure that you're paying attention to the directions. And yeah, just pay attention, y'all. Really pay attention to the directions. You're going to need some tools. You're going to need a screwdriver. You're also going to need a just a basic, I think I needed a hammer. I also had an electric screwdriver too, which made the process so much more easier. So you're going to need all of that. And I was able to get it done in a dress, y'all. A dress. So if you are a handy girl like me, this is a good project for you to do. My husband was at work, so he was not able to help me. But when he got home, he was like, you did that. Like, you did a bomb job. And I like putting stuff together. So it was a good project for me to do. And to get my room together, get my office space together, and get my YouTube room right. This is where I record content now. And so I really enjoy recording from this space now that I have something in the background with my shoes, some clothes, and it provides me with a boutique-like experience. So I change out the clothes on my racks when the seasons change. So that's going to be good too. And I'm excited to add more stuff into this room, which you guys will see if you follow me on Instagram. I've already added in pictures on the wall. We have a actual photographer studio roll that was put up by someone in our area. I have a mirror in here. I have curtains hung up, and you guys will see it on the videos a little bit later, or the scenes a little bit later. So here you see me trying to figure out how to install these closet rods. These closet rods were a little challenge because you had to make sure that they could actually hang correctly. But I got these from Lowe's, and they are called extendable white metal closet rods, and they can be found in any hardware store. Very easy to find, and I had to drill them in I had to create holes and drill the holes into the actual bookshelf to hang them up. And I had a total of 3 bookshelves. Well, I have a total of 3 bookshelves, and so I just completed the process over again. And as you guys will see with the finished look of the actual closet space. Alright, so in this clip, you guys see the curtains, you guys see that I have a mirror in there, and I've started a little bit of decorating. Here I am putting together a desk from IKEA, and I'll put the name of it. I think it's called the Mickey desk, and I'll put the name of it in the description box. But I'm putting it together. I think my husband was at work again, so he couldn't help me. But I enjoyed the process of putting this together. And like I said before, you really have to pay attention when it comes to IKEA stuff because, girl, if you don't pay attention, you have it all the way screwed up. Alright girls, so this is the final look with all of my shoes and some of my like jewelry and different things of that nature put up. And I've also hung some clothes up, have some handbags put up, and some pictures hanging as well. But this was an awesome DIY project and a place that I created for me to be able to record and just to be able to walk in and see stuff on the wall. Like, I love that. I love that for me. It provides some sense of like luxury, and I just really enjoy this space and being able to film in here. So if you've been thinking about, renovating a closet or making a room into a closet, I definitely recommend that you do this because yes, sis, yes, it's the way to go. Do it, and I think total with the Billy bookcases, I think it was under $150.